Hey y'all, ask yourself why insurance should be first before an LLC in your cleaning business. When starting your cleaning business, you might be thinking, I need to form an LLC right away. But here's the truth, having the right insurance is more critical in the early stages than setting up a legal business structure. Why? Because insurance protects you from the real world risk that can shut your business down before it even gets off the ground. I like when I started my business, I started with an EIN, sole proprietor, and insurance. I didn't become an LLC until later down the road. But you must have insurance first. So why insurance comes first? Is for immediate protection from liability. So, say if you and your team member damages a property or someone gets hurt on site, general liability insurance can cover the cost. A LLC might limit your personal liability legally, but it won't pay for damages. Insurance will. And I'm going to tell y'all a story about my experience. And this is with insurance. I had an employee on a construction project. Okay, so the conference room was all glass. It was all glass wall. So not only that, they were going to put decals on that glass. So I had a window guy. I hired a new person. I, the window guy was complaining about how many windows, how much glass it was everywhere. So I had just hired a girl. She came from a family business, multiple years in the cleaning industry and all that. Sent her with the tools and stuff. I wasn't even gone 1 hour. She had damaged all that glass. And you could tell it was at the same height. So whatever tool she went and got, because she didn't use what I gave her, whatever she went and got, you could tell she couldn't reach. So the scratches was in the same spot all the way around the glass. As soon as I got there, I noticed it. And in my insurance, it was I think it was a 14,000 worth of damage, and I had to pay for the decals. And my insurance had only covered $2,500 of that 14,000, that $10,000 or whatever it was. And the reason why I'm not clear on how much it was is because that particular construction company had owed me over $10,000. So whatever the insurance didn't cover, I just had to let them keep their invoices to cover the rest of the tab. So you want to have insurance first, and then your clients require it. Many commercial clients won't even let you bid or start unless you provide a certificate of insurance. No insurance, no contract. Cover your real financial risk. Things could go wrong in this industry. Broken glass, stained carpet, and I'll tell you a story about that. I had somebody, now they wasn't supposed to even take it in the building. They done took some bleach in the building. Somehow they done stained the carpet up with the bleach. So luckily they didn't charge us because they had extra carpet. But I'm telling you, you gotta be insured. People could slip and fall. And if you're not insured, if you're uninsured, you're on a hook to pay out of pocket. One incident could cost you thousands and in your business before it begins. So, an LLC versus full protection. Forming an LLC doesn't protect your business assets or cash flow. It only protects your personal assets from certain lawsuits. It doesn't help at all if a client sues you and you can't afford the legal fees or damages. Insurance is relatively inexpensive. For small cleaning companies, it's basically general liability insurance costs around 40, give it a high $100 a month. Now that's a small price to pay for peace of mind and client confidence. Now here's the risk of skipping insurance. Paying out of pocket for damages or injuries, which could lead to personal bankruptcy. Being denied contracts because you can't show proof of coverage. No protection for stolen equipment or damage to your supplies. Your reputation can get damaged if something goes wrong and you can't cover it. This is serious. You need insurance. So if you're bootstrapping your cleaning business, prioritize protection over paperwork. You can form an LLC later, but insurance needs to be in place the moment you step into a building with your mop and your vacuum. So if this was helpful information, like, comment, subscribe. This is Karen Denton, your KSC bidding consultant, and I'll see you guys on the next video.